My video is about removing the browser hijacking extension that is called Power-Cleaner. Power-Cleaner is a special extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. As you can clearly see, this extension is currently promoted through pop-ups by the site Power-cleaner.xyz. This website encourages customers into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extension, and this extension is called exactly like that, Power-Cleaner. It is extremely dangerous to interact with these pop-ups because the extension may function as a browser hijacker. It may change some of the browser settings without the customer's permission. So, if the extension was mistakenly installed, you need to uninstall it as soon as possible. Now I'll demonstrate to you what exactly happens when the extension is installed. When you submit some search queries, you might get the results by some other search engine, such as Bing, Yahoo, or some other one. But in reality, it was not the choice of the customer to use this search engine. This is why Power-Cleaner is fairly considered as a potentially unwanted software. You should get rid of it as soon as you can by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions. So disable and remove this extension, and this is the best way to manually fix your browser. Now, I also recommend you to research your device with Power-Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page Power-cleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin carefully researching your device with its help to detect and eliminate other infections from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Power-Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Power-Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Power-Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.